In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to import bank data into QuickBooks Online. So let's get started. So here we are, and from here is that you just simply need to go into QuickBooks and go into transactions right here in the left menu. Now, you want to go into bank transactions. In here is that you can now connect your account in here so that you'd be able to sync your data here into QuickBooks, or you could upload transactions. That is, if you have the file that is exported from your bank so that you could import it here into QuickBooks. So how you can do that would vary depending on the bank that you are on. So they might have different procedures. So I suggest researching on how you could do that. And then you can go back into this video and just follow this, go into QuickBooks, and here manually upload your transactions, and it will now be imported into QuickBooks. Or you also have the options, just like I said earlier, to just link your bank account into QuickBooks so that you will be able to sync your data in here. So if you go for manual, you can click here, and then just select your file. And if you do this, then this one is the recommended one. Then you can choose your bank. So click on one of them. For example, BPI, and as you can see, it would need the corporate code, user ID, and password, and it's not the same for every bank. So each bank might have their own respective requirements on what you would need to provide in order for you to sign in and connect your bank account into QuickBooks. So yeah, just simply search for your bank right here, and these are the recommended banks based on your location. And after that, you will now be able to proceed to the second step, third, and fourth, and fifth. So you just need to follow that. They are very easy, don't worry. They contain your personal data, so I can't really show them right here. But yeah, they don't they're not really that hard. You don't need any special guidance. Just continue until you get to step 5, and basically this is how you'd be able to import your bank data here into QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.